Hello everyone, this is M.Revathi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Dr. S.N.S. Radhalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Today we are going to discuss about decision making statements in C. Decision making is an integral part of our life. Every day we make some decision consciously or unconsciously, and all these decisions are based on calculations and comparisons. Similarly, in programming, we need decision making to control and regulate the execution of our code blocks. So what is decision making statement in C? Decision making statements decide the direction and the flow of the program. They are also known as conditional statements because they specify conditions with Boolean expression evaluated to a true or false Boolean value. If the condition is true, a given block of code will execute. If the condition is false, the block will not execute. So decision making statement in programming languages decides the direction of flow of program execution. It is classified into if statement, else statement, nested if statements, if else if ladder, switch statements. In this presentation, we will see one by one. So first one is a if statement. Simple if statement. It is used to control the flow of execution statement. That is, if statement is the most simple decision making statement. It is used to decide whether a certain statement or block of statements will be executed or not. That is, if a certain condition is true, then a block of statement is executed, otherwise not. Next we see the syntax of if statement. If within a bracket we check the condition, then within a curly brace we print the statement. So the flowchart of simple if statement, if the condition is true, then the statement flowing the if is executed. If it is false, the statement is skipped. Now we see the example of simple example of if program. First we declare the header file, then int main, then int a is equal to 10. Here a is the variable, int is the data type. The variable is a integer data type. Next we check the if a less than 20. So a is the condition, then print within a block printf the value is less than 20, then return 0. In this example, the value of a is 10. So in condition 10 less than 20. If it is true, so here the value is less than 20, so it is true. So the execution inside the curly brace, the printf the value is less than 20 is printed. So the output of this program, the value is less than 20 is printed. Using scanf, the same example we'll see. So include stdio.get int main, int a. Here we declare the variable only. So printf, in this example, we give the value in the execution time. So printf enter the number scanf %d because the value of variable is a integer data type. So we give the %d, then ampersand a. Here ampersand represents the address of a. Then we check the condition. So a less than 50, print value is less than 50, return 0. In this example, in this output, they enter the number. Suppose we give the 40, 40 is less than 50. So the condition is true. Here the block of if statement will be executed. So here we print the value is less than 50. The output is the value is less than 50. Next we see the if else statement. The if else statement alone tells that if a condition is true, it will execute a block of statement, and if the condition is false, it won't. But what? If we want to do something else, if the condition is false, here comes the else statement. We can use the else statement with if statement to execute a block of code when the condition is false. So the general format of if else statement, first check the condition. If the condition is true, the statement one block will be executed. Otherwise, the else part of block will be executed. So the flowchart of if else statement, it is used to execute some statement when condition is true and executing some other statements when the condition is false, depending on the logical test. Next we see the example of if else statement. Here the same example, we declare a is equal to 10 and 100. If a less than equal to 20, the condition is true. The if block will be executed, otherwise the else block will be executed. So in this output, it will check 100 is less than 20. So it is a false. So the else block will be executed. The output of the program is the value is greater than 20. Next we see the nested if-else statement. So a nested in a C is an if statement that is target of another if statement. Nested if statement means an if statement inside another if statement. Yes, both C and C++ allow us to nested if statement within if statements. That is, we can place an if statement inside another if statements. So in the general format of nested if else statement, first if condition, the inside the if condition, we need to give the another, we need to check another conditions. Then if the condition is true, the statement 1 will be executed, otherwise the statement 2 will be executed. So more than one if, it is called as a nested if statement. Next we see the flowchart of nested if else statement. First test the condition 1. If it is true, it will go to the condition next condition. It is true, it will print the statement, otherwise it will go to the false statement. So within one if statement we use another if statement, it is called the nested if statement. For example, include stdio.h, we give the header file main int a is equal to 5. If a less than 10, it is a first if condition. After that we check the another if a is equal to 5. Then it will print the printf number is equal to 5, otherwise it will go out return 0. So the value is less than 20. Here first check the 5 less than 10. Yes, if the condition is true, it is true. So it will go to the next condition. If 5 equal to 5, it also true. So it will print the block of the statement, that is number is equal to 5. So these are the example of nested if values. Today we discussed about what is if statement, if else statement and nested if statement. Thank you.